So yeah, this car right here produces 801 horsepower, 530 pounds-feet of torque. It is a one-seater, and it just looks incredible. Looks insane, honestly. It has a V12 naturally aspirated. I just honestly never seen anything like this. So if this is your first time seeing this, drop a like. But yeah, we're gonna walk away around here with this one. Black calipers. Look at take a look at this mirror right here. Looks absolutely insane to see the back portion. We have both our mirrors right here. Our racing seat belts. Temperature, the air conditioning. Fire extinguisher just in case. Carbon fiber in the interior. Carbon fiber bucket seat. Man, this is incredible. You have to pop your gas, pop your trunk. Let's take another look at this. Looks really long, probably because it is, right? Color looks very good on this. So you're probably wondering how, because it's not enclosed, right? Probably wondering, like, what if a rock chip comes while you're driving at high speeds? Because that's what one of the first things I thought about. But if you see right here, it has this portion right here. So if you're traveling at higher speeds, it creates an air wall, making air come in through here, exit through here, and essentially creating this air wall for you to be able to drive even at high speeds without anything happening. So this is big ticket car right here. It's very special, honestly. Never seen anything like this, so it is quite rare. It's amazing, stunning for sure. So you guys can take a quick look all around. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just wanted to share this quick vehicle with you guys. Let me know if you've seen anything else like this before. And stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy.